Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of some vegan leather journals. Now, a lot of you know, usually for the most part, I do not prefer non-leather notebooks, and I actually can't say that I haven't really owned a non-leather notebook. I mean, I've used paper notebooks and spiral bound notebooks and that type of thing. But as far as actual journals, I prefer a leather journal. Well, I had a company reach out to me. The company is called SohoSparks, and they make beautiful vegan leather journals. So I thought that I would go ahead and see what they're all about and do an opening of these journals here with all of you. Now, for those of you who are looking for vegan leather journals, this is a company you may want to consider. Of course, I'll leave all of their information down below. But if you want to see an up-close look of what the journals look like, well, today's your lucky day. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, they have many different designs here, and there were two designs that I really liked. So I got one of each. One is called the Sunrise Journal, and the other one is called the Tree Journal. So let's go ahead and open this one first and take a look and see what we've got going on. Now, for those of us who enjoy journaling and writing, it's always a nice touch when our journal comes in a box. So as you can see, this is a really nice sturdy cardboard box. So if you were trying to give this to someone as a gift, or if you were going to, mail it to someone for some reason, at least you can be confident that the journal inside is not going to get damaged. All right, so I'm already very impressed with the packaging. So this says faux leather journal, refillable. Oh, and I've got a coupon code here. And I think it's okay to share that. Anyway, let's go right on into it. It's beautifully wrapped. And I'm already impressed. Oh, wow. This is beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Okay, so this one is called the Sunrise. And it's very soft and smooth. I mean, if I didn't know it was vegan leather, my first guess would be that it is leather. So you can see, excuse me, the company name or logo back here is called SohoSpark. And this journal is an A5 size, or what also probably could be considered, I guess, maybe a half sheet size. Okay, and it's got, oh, this is actually a cover, so that makes it refillable. This is beautiful. And you've got some, oh, the paper is very smooth. Now, on the, I think on the box, it said that this is fountain pen friendly. Obviously, because I'm just now opening this up, I have not done any type of a pen test, but you do have a pretty ribbon marker here. And the other nice touch is that the pages are numbered. So if you are interested in, bullet journaling, or even if you just want to keep track of, your pages, that's a really nice touch. So let's see how this looks here, if I can get this out. Okay, it's kind of stuck. I think you guys get the idea of this being a refillable journal. Okay, I can't get it out, but you guys can see that obviously this part here can come out, and then you just slip it into the vegan leather cover. Very nice, and this is such a soft notebook. So this is what the spine looks like. It's got stitching all along the edge. And that's the top, and then the bottom. Okay, so this one again is called the Sunrise Design. And let's go ahead and open the other one. So again, they come in this box, sealed in plastic. And I can't say enough about how beautifully packaged this is. So again, faux leather journal refillable. Coupon code there. And you know, and I didn't check on the website to see if the different types of refills, if they had like maybe blank pages, dot grid, or just lined. I didn't check to see what the options were. So again, this one is beautiful too. Oh, look how nice that is, you guys. Very pretty. This one says always growing. And it's the tree, I think it's called the tree design. And this is what it looks like on the inside here. And beautiful lined numbered pages. And let me see, I didn't check to see how many pages it has. So it has 240 pages. And from what I can tell, it looks like this notebook lays pretty flat, which is definitely a plus for me. That's my thing. I mean, I need a journal to lay flat when I'm using it and when I'm writing in it. So that definitely works. Okay, so these are again called faux leather or vegan leather journals, and the company is SohoSpark. I will definitely put all the information down below in case you are interested in checking them out and seeing what they've got to offer. Now they do have other designs. These aren't the only two cover designs. They had a few to choose from, and I'm going to share this. If you're interested in either of these, this is the coupon code for the Sunrise Design. And then this one is the code for the Tree Design if you are interested in either of these. Okay? All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.